Meaning of Dartmouth.
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 Dartmouth. Dartmouth is a town located in the state of New Hampshire, United States. The name Dartmouth was derived from the English town of Dartmouth, which means mouth of the River Dart. The town of Dartmouth, New Hampshire, has a population of approximately 14,000 people. It is situated along the Connecticut River and is home to Dartmouth College, a private Ivy League research university. The college was founded in 1769 and is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the United States. Dartmouth College is known for its strong undergraduate program and its focus on liberal arts education.